going to paint this white t-shirt with vibrant colors. First I will tape up the area where I want to draw and paint. This is how you will tape the area where you want to draw and paint. I have drawn the reference whatever I want to draw upon my t-shirt. Now I will draw the reference on my t-shirt. Draw it carefully because drawing on t-shirt may take time and patience. Finally, my sketch is complete. Firstly, we are going to paint the hairs, and the first coat of color is going to be black. Always remember, whenever you are painting, always paint in one direction. Don't change the direction of your brush. Now I am going to use brown color to highlight the hairs. Before you start painting, remember to place a paper between the t-shirt that the color do not pass to the other sides of the t-shirt. Used mud yellow color to paint the whole body. Paint the skirt. I am going to use dark blue color. Don't worry about the names of color. You are going to get it into the description box. Now we are going to paint the flowers with red color. And the stems and leaves with the green color. Now we will work on the detailings. Now I'll make the bands, straps, everything related to frock with the same blue color. I'm going to use white color and color the half part of the skirt and shade it again with a dark blue color to give it realistic illusion. This is how we are going to complete this shading and give it a realistic illusion. To create the backbone shadow, we are going to use dark brown shade and then lighten it up gradually. Now it's the time to peel off the tapes. Colors that cross the border, I am going to use white color and give it a clean line. I have added a bow to make it look more prettier. Voila, it's done.